Though inflation has slowed significantly since it peaked last year, it's still somewhat high. And it's no wonder why mortgage rates are so finicky lately. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty. First off, the key reason why rates are high is that inflation is still high. In theory, if inflation falls back, then mortgage rates should follow. The latest Consumer Price Index report notes that inflation was up again at 3.2% in July, slightly higher than in June. This increase has caused rates to take a jump in recent weeks. And according to Realtor.com, mortgage rates have been hovering back and forth in the 6 to 7% range for the past several months, with the most recent forecast predicting the average 30-year fixed rate to close out the year at 6.6%. Many experts are predicting a bumpy road for the market in the remainder of the year and into the beginning of 2024. As a buyer, rather than worry about mortgage rates, focus on what you can control. When shopping for a loan, there are still plenty of loan options available that can help you reduce your payment. Make sure you don't rule any of them out because you don't understand them. Reach out to us so that we can help you gain the knowledge you need to select the right options that will help you into your next home. I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty.